Machine sensors and IoT devices are more pervasive than ever, and sub-second data frequencies demand storage that can handle the volume and velocity of this data. With all of this timely data at our fingertips, why is it still so difficult to make timely decisions? Here's a KDB database table containing 100 million rows of collected machine sensor data. With just one click, we can query this data instantly and execute compute tasks with ultra-high order complexity. For manufacturers, costly machine repairs take time and may lead to potential lost revenue, customer churn, and reputational risk. The KX Data Timehouse offers speed and simplicity for accessing all your different data sources, delivering faster product iteration, improved reliability and cost optimization, freeing up dedicated employee resources to higher value tasks. KDB provides a single interface for provisioning and deploying data pipelines. Here's one example showing us connecting KDB to live MQTT data coming off of an industrial crystallizer on the shop floor. Connect to real-time sensor data, build internal rules and apply advanced analytics with native AI or ML tooling. This query job executes instantly on hundreds of thousands of rows of sensor data. We can monitor billions of events at one time and understand anomalous temperature sensor readings. Too hot and we risk machine breakdowns, too cold and we face yield loss or scrapped batches. Then expose datasets to the people and tools that need to use them. We can build queries internally with native SQL or Python using a notebook interface, and bridge the gap between IT and OT systems. Now let's productionize our anomaly detection algorithm for real-time predictive failure monitoring. We insert a deep learning model created using TensorFlow and XGBoost to run against our sensor data and anticipate the outcome of our crystallizer's heating and cooling cycles. Joined together against our real-time data from before, it looks like this. What this provides is a brief moment in time, a critical moment where decisions can be made before the failure event in question. We visualize our sensor data and provide historical context by integrating with rules and datasets from IT systems such as MES, order routing, ERP and more. And we can extend this functionality out to the systems of insight that you use today, such as Power BI and Azure Databricks. KDB harnesses the critical business moment, a decision window where we can automate a response, send an alert or raise an alarm, and create a closed-loop system of remediation before critical failures occur. If you could ensure even 10% more uptime on your manufacturing lines, how would this impact productivity? Reduce decision latency to appoint and act in real time. That's KX, delivering 100x faster at 1/10 of the cost.